recording, sorry. Okay, because sometimes it is many things and it cannot be happen. Okay, so and here
Okay, no.
I'm going to use the, for example, and here you already know that I have to type the BR. BR is for the going down one line, BR for the break. I want to go down one line, then I use the BR. So now I'm going to use, for example, okay, H2O. You know H2O is the water. So I want this two is going to be down here, the smaller one. So if I want to put this two smaller, so I have to use the sub, SUB sub. Okay, and then I'm going to put the two sub, and then after that I have to close the sub, SUB sub. So which means that after the H, this two is going to be the small down here. And then after that, all will be the normal. Okay, so we are going to check this one. Okay, and then after that, the next one is called super, BR. Super is for the square, up. For example, x square. X square, okay, x square plus, okay, y cube. Okay, so when I want this equation, the 2 is going to be on the up and then 3 is going to be the up. What it is going to do now? Some students are still coming. Okay, so what we are going to do now, because I want this 2 wants to be the up and then 3 also up. So this 2, if I want to put it up, I have to use SUP. SUP is for up and then SUB is for down. So after I write the SUP, I have to close the SUP. Okay, after the 2, I am going to close the SUP because I only want the 2 wants to be the up. Okay, so for the Y cube also, I want the 3 once I want to put the up. For example, like Y to the power of 3 or Y cube. So what I'm going to put, I put the super and super here. So which means that if I put SUB and B, this 2 is going to be the down small one, H2O. You already know the water. I will just write water, WAT, your water is H2O. So it is going to be, this 2 is going to be the small. Okay, and then here X, this 2 is going to be up small and then plus Y and then up small. So these are the equation. Okay, so now after I save, I'm going to show you. Okay, I'm going to save today with a new name now. File save as. For today one, maybe I'm going to put the home page 2. I'm going to put the home page 2. Okay, and then after that save. Okay, after that you have to put, sorry, .html, save. Okay, we have to put the .html. Okay, and let's see now what it is going to be happen. It is already in the desktop. Let me check the desktop. Sorry, some students are still coming, and then I have okay, this is home page 2. Just now I save it here. Okay, and see now, see, this is the water is H2O. Do you see here? Water is H2O. And then this is the x square plus y to the power 3. Because if I put SUB, it is going to be down, 2 is going to be the smaller one. If I put the 2, okay, if I want up, you have to write SUP. Okay, so this is the, okay, the things that you have to write it. I don't know, what is this here? Okay, but sometimes the messages I cannot read it. Okay, so for today I just want to close this thing because I have to cover other things. So today I want to close this part because this part, my first homepage. Okay, no problem. For this one, I want to close it because I have to cover other things. This is last week one. Okay, I already put it. Please try it. Okay, this one, I want the title is going to be homepage 2. Okay, this is the second one. Okay, then file save. So when I delete everything, I only have going to be water is H2O, and then after that another one, this one. Okay, let's go now. File, save, I already saved. When I go and refresh, I have only these things. Okay, so today we learn about what is the SUB. This is for SUB is for going down. SUP is for the going up. Right? I hope you understand. So from your notes, go to the another part now. Let me explain about this pre now. Pre. What is the property of PRE pre-open and then PRE pre-close? Pre-open and pre-close. What is this? Okay, let me explain now. Make sure that you are going to write the BR every statements because BR is going down line. Okay, so now let's put it these things. So if I don't want to put the PRE, let me delete this one first. And then see now what it is going to be happen without the PRE. Okay. Now here I just write the recess is 12. Pen is a 6 and then scat is 12. I put this one. Okay. Then when I save and refresh, what is the result? See, the result is like this. Recess 12, pen 6, scat 12. It is written like continuously. Okay, so if I want it to get the result, the same thing like this, if I want to get the same thing, okay, not the continuously like this, if I want the result, the same thing like this, how you are going to do? You have to write the pre, pre, open, and then here, pre-close, pre-close. So now I put the pre and open and pre-close. So now go and see the difference, what it is going to do. I have to save first. Make sure every time you save, refresh. See, it is like this. It is very, very interesting. You just need to put the PRE to make sure that whatever you write in the coding, they are going to put all the space here. Okay, even without the BR, it is going down line by line. So this is the power of PRE. If you put PRE open and PRE close, it will be exactly coming like how you write in the coding. Okay, so this is the power of PRE. Students, is it okay? Right? Any question regarding about these two property now? I hope it is clear, right? Because it is easy and it is interesting. Okay, so this is the power of PRE. So today we learn about the SUP, okay, SUPA and PRE. Okay, so all these things you can make it the design, you can create it and your website, and then you can make it this one. Now let's go here from your notes. I believe everybody have this notes. Okay, now I'm going to use the link now. Okay, so for those who are studying I think the web development, you already know about this thing. This is the link here. How you are going to link this one? Okay, so I'm going to link you, give you the link here. I'm just copying from there. So what you have to do is there, for example, here, I just want to delete these things. Delete. No, I will just explain here now. When you look at these two lines, so this is the formula. You must write AHREF. This is the formula. You must write AHREF. You cannot change this one. AHREF, you cannot change this one. And then after that, at the end, you must close the A. You must close the A. Because this A is open here. And then you must close the A only, not HREF. So this is the fix. Okay, you cannot change this one. What you are going to change is only this one there as address of the website. For example, if you put www.suc.edu.oman, so this website is going to link to the Seoul University College. So that's why I write it here, Seoul University College. Okay, so and this website, when you design, only this is going to be appear. Seoul University website is only going to be appear. These things are not coming. For example, this website is not coming. AHREF, and then this one is not coming, and this website. Okay, only Seoul University College is coming here. Okay, so and here when you check the second address here, you have www.google.com. This is for Google address. So only the Google is coming here. Okay, and here only the Google is going to be written. This one is not going to be coming out, and this one is not going to be coming out because this is the fix. Okay, so you have to change the address, okay, website address, if you want something to link it and your, okay, website. Okay, so this is the things. Okay, so let's go for it now. Now I write it two website. One website I want to link to the Seoul University College. Another one I want to go to the Google. Now save here, file, save, and refresh. See, the first one is the Seoul University College, and the second one is the Google. Because of the link here, when you put your cursor here, it will show as a link, like a figure. You can click this one. Here also you can click this one. But when you click it, when you show your cursor here, it is not showing anything. Okay, because it is not linking. So now let me go to the Google now. When I click the Google, it is going to Google. Right? So this is the things. It is the link, okay, to the thing. So I will go back now. Go back again. And then now let's go to the Seoul University College. When I click Seoul University College, this is going to be changed to the Seoul University College now. See? See? They are linking to the Seoul University College. So you know Seoul University College is a bit slow website. It's just wait for a while. I hope it is coming. It is quite slow. Yes, now coming. See, Seoul University College website is coming. So this is how in your website you can put the link so that the customer or your friends come and see. And then you can even put the facebook.com or yahoo.com. Okay, I will add another one for you now, youtube.com. And then let me go to, just copy this one. And then how to change it, I already told you. Where you are going to change, you are going to link to youtube.com. Okay, change the address here, youtube, youtube.com, and then this is going to be YouTube, youtube, YouTube. Okay, so this link will show you here only YouTube, this one, and then when you click, it will link to the YouTube. Now I will save it, file, save, and then refresh. See, this is YouTube. Now, when I click, it will go to the YouTube link. Okay, so this is the things. Okay, so any questions, students, regarding about the link? I hope you understand, right? Let me go to the other things. So this is the finish already, this part. Okay, so now and here, when you look at these things here, this one is explaining you how you are going to change the background. How you are going to change the background. Okay, when you look at the end here, this example, background color is yellow. Okay, I don't want the background color yellow. I want to put the background another image. You know, another image is that maybe you can have another image called for example, you can go to the Google or whatever you have it, and then you can download it and then For example, I have some images here. I will show you what images I have here. And this example, I have this one, and then maybe I have SUC here. SUC here. This is the, I downloaded from the Seoul University College website. My computer is very, very slow. It is coming or not coming? Oh, it is coming. Okay. I believe that how you are going, you can download the images, you already know it, because when you do the free website, you already, okay, learn about the how you can download the images from internet. Okay, so this is a Seoul University College. I downloaded from the Seoul University College website. Okay, so I want this website at the background of my, okay, and this one, not the yellow color. I want to put the background pictures here. Okay, so this is a little bit complicated. This is called here, I have written here. Okay, inside the head, you have to put it this one. Okay, they call the style and this and that. You just need to copy this one. You don't have to show. What you are going to change is this name, because I have a suc.png. Make sure that this name is what you are saving. When you look at my pictures here, when you look at my pictures, I give the name suc. Why .png? Because my extension is a png file here. Okay, so if you don't know the extension, you just right click and go to the properties, and you will see here, this is a .png. Okay, so my file name is suc.png. So that's why this is very important. How you are going to save the pictures, whatever you give the name, and then check the extension. What is the extension there? Okay, so in this example, as you know that I have the extension of the PNG. So that's why this one. The students have to change whatever the name that you are giving. These are the same thing, no need to change. Okay, so now let's go and see. File, copy. Okay, now I'm going to change this one and to the here, inside the heading part. Okay, so I have a style here. You have a style, and then after that, heading close, and this one. This is the things that we have to put it. Okay, so the body BG color is, we cannot put it anymore because I'm going to put the background image of the suc.png. Okay, but when you are, see, this is I copy from the, just now I copy everything from here. After the HTML, you put the head under the body suc.png. I just copy here. Okay, so make sure that my suc.png is in the desktop, because I have to copy this one into the desktop, because everything must be in the same place. If it is not same place, it is not going to be coming out. So I copy to the here, desktop. Because I'm working, my home page too is in the desktop. So I have to make sure that my picture is in the same place. Okay. So now let's go here. I'm going to save this thing, file, save. Then after that, go here and refresh. Now see what it is going to be changed. Bismillah. I hope it is. See, my background is changed to the pictures. Is it okay, students? Is it okay? This is interesting, right? You just need, you already have a notes there. I have already given this one. Just you need to change is the name here. What name you are going to save? What is the extension?
Sir,
These things and this thing. Yes, yes, please ask the question. Yes. Is it
give in
understandable?
practical.
This is from the notes I have given you. I believe that you already know here. This is here, HTML notes. Just open this one. This one is this things, HTML notes here. Starting from here, HTML notes. This is already in the Moodle. I have already given. We are going to learn everything so that you will be able to know how to do the website. It is very interesting. After you learn these things, okay, before the final exam, then I will give you Usually this one, when you have to come to the class, you have to do as a lab test. But I'm not going to have it as a lab test. I'm going to put as a project. I will give you 1 week before the final exam, and then you do your project after we learn this. And then you just submit, inshallah. Is it okay, students? Interesting, right? Inshallah, right? Okay,
Yes.
you can do it, right? So this is the things, not this one, not this one. This is the first one, and then this is the thing. So we have here this one and so on. This is the background. Okay, so how you are going to change the background. So one thing I want to remind you is that sometime when you are going to choose the background pictures, don't choose like this, I mean the very complicated one. Okay, maybe something like cloud or something like this. Because otherwise, if maybe some of the words, it is like cannot be readable also. So this is up to you. Okay, so when you are going to design, it is up to you. If here are many things, so maybe sometimes you cannot see clearly these things. Okay, so sometimes that's why some people they prefer the plain color, or some people they prefer the background but not very complicated one, the simple background or something like this. Okay, so then let's go it now. So from here the notes, we already finished the first page now. Wow, the time is running out now. I have a less time only here. Okay, now what I want to do is that I want to show you the inserting the image. Yes, students.
Doctor,
Ah,
we want a group for the practical.
you want the group for the practical? I don't know
Yes.
whether I can do it or not. Practical exam, you give the group or not? I don't know, because this is like the practical exam. You know, these subjects, you already know that you have a practical. So actually I have to do it like practical exam, but I'm not doing the exam because I know that some of the students, you don't have a computer. This is the problem. Since you don't
Project?
have, yes, because I have to make
No,
the record. I have to make the record that all the students do the practical test, lab test, 10 marks. This is the things. So that's why
okay.
the reason I'm giving you, okay, the reason I'm giving you the 1 week time is that I know that some students don't have a computer, so you can go to your friend's house and then you can discuss there. Okay, maybe just change a little bit, not exactly like your friends. Maybe you can do the group together and then but change for your friend, each of the friend. Maybe for example, some student you already do it, some students sell the beauty perfume, some students sell the dress. So just change the picture and then just change the name and then finish already. You can do it a group
Yes.
work, but you have to submit a different one. As you know that this is a lab test, I need the record of all the students. You understand, right? So you can
Yes.
work group, you can work the group, but when you practice more, it is better for you. Just change the pictures and then just helping each other. Then you can do it group. That's why I gave you 1 week. Okay, inshallah, it will be okay.
Inshallah.
Okay, because
Doctor, 10 marks or
10 marks, 10
15?
marks, 10 marks. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, inshallah, it is easy, 10 marks, okay, inshallah.
Inshallah.
So you want to learn more or you want to learn it next time? I will just put one of the point here, P. I want to put for the P here. I want to put for the P and image because I have 7 minutes, no problem. I will put it now. This is, I want the image. You already know the H1 now, okay? I want to put the image now. You know the image?
Doctor,
Yes.
uh, 1 day for a practical project?
No, no, no. 1 week, 1 week. I will give
1
one
week?
week. You understand, right?
Okay. Okay.
1 week. You understand? 1 week is 7 days. I'm going to give you 7 days. Is it okay? 7 days.
Yes, yes, okay.
Okay, so you can do together with your friends, but you have to do the, for example, if you have a three friends, then you have to submit the three project. You understand, right? One project is not acceptable because this is like the lab test. So that's why I need all the student performance. So you can change there, just change, for example, some student will do the chocolate website. You are going to sell the chocolate. Another student, like how you did it in the free web store. So just similar like this, and then change the picture, change the word, change the price, something like this. You understand, right? Inshallah. Huh?
Yes.
Zahra, right?
Inshallah.
Okay, inshallah.
Yes.
So now
Thank you.
I'm going to teach another two things here now. The another one is called the picture. How you are going to insert the pictures. Okay, so this is called IMG SLC. This is the inserting the picture. How you are going to put the pictures here. Okay, so and here I'm going to add the pictures here. For example, this place. You can add any pictures. Okay, I'm going to add this one called SUC logo.png. What is a logo here? Logo means there, for example, I have here, logo is this one. This is called the SUC logo. Yes, this is the pictures, SUC logo. Okay, .png is the extension. Okay, so I'm going to include these pictures and my website. And here I want the picture. Okay, so here, paste. You must have the same place here. This one, I want to put it in my website. So that I put it here. IMG SLC SUC logo.png. So why I have to put the SUC logo? The name is here SUC logo. Why I have an extension is PNG. When you check here, the property, the name is SUC logo and the extension is .png. Okay, so that's why I have it this one. Okay, so now let's go file, save, and then when I go and refresh, see, I have here SUC logo. This picture is you include. So when you are doing the chocolate or for example dress, you are going to sell, you can add many picture like this. This is how you can add the pictures there. How you can add the pictures. Okay, so but I need to put the BR here to go down one line, because otherwise it is continuously. Okay, so and here you can even adjust the weight and height. Okay, for example, weight, WEIDTH, weight. So and here sometimes see some of the pictures will be very big. Sorry, sometimes some of the pictures will be very big. Okay, so when you want to make it smaller, you can make this smaller by adjusting. Sorry, I need to put it something there. Called the width and height. I didn't put it here. And then this web development, I have it here. Where is this? Yes. Okay, so this is called the inserting the pictures, width and height. So this is called here. For example, width and height means that you can adjust their pictures, whether you want the pictures to be the smaller or pictures to be the bigger one. Okay, so how you are going to do here, I will show you. After you insert the pictures, you just write here. So for example, I want to put it this one, 30. And this is also going to be 30. Height is going to be, width is 30, height is going to be, for example, 15. So this one, like, you can adjust, file, save. This is up to the students, how you want to adjust the size. See, when I change the size, see this picture, how it is going to be changed. See, this is very small now. The size is very small now. So now I will change the size now. For example, this one is going to be 50 and the height is going to be 25, 50 and 25. Now when I save and go and refresh, see, this size is going to be bigger now. See, a little bit bigger only. Okay, maybe I have to increase the size now. For example, the width is going to be, okay, some students are coming, 90, and this is going to be 50, and see, file, save, and go and check, refresh. So this is again a little bit bigger. Okay, so that's why you can add the pictures and then you can add the size. It is up to you. Okay, so depends on the things. Just try to play around here, how the size you are going to be. For example, like 80. is a height. It is not height, 50. File, save, and refresh. So this is the things. So you already know there how to put the center, right? How you are going to put in the middle, you already know this one. If you want to put the in the middle, you can put CENT, center, and then you can even put this one, and the center, open, and then center, close. This is how you can put it there. Center is mean middle. This one is going to come to the middle. File, save, and then refresh. See, now this is coming to the middle. So this is how you can adjust the things. Okay, I have only 1 minute left. I will stop it here. Okay, students, next class we will continue it, right? Okay, thank you. I will upload this one. Okay, I will upload this one. I already recorded, and then I will upload this one now. After this class, I will upload it in the YouTube, and then I will put it under the here. Okay, I will put it under the e-commerce today practical down here. I will put it the link, YouTube link. Okay, so okay, because the time is finishing less than. Okay, I think the first practical also I already put it there. When you check it, you have here